When you search for clip-on guitar tuners, everything looks the same. Same features, same glowing reviews. But to find out what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Fender FCT2. The Fender FCT2 Professional Multi-Instrument Clip-On Tuner caught my eye right away. Priced at $23.99, it's a bestseller with over 18,200 reviews. If you want reliable tuning no matter where you play, this is worth a serious look. The color LCD display shows you exactly where you stand, making it super easy to see if you're sharp or flat. Plus, it works for guitar, bass, ukulele, and violin, so you're covered for all your instruments with one tuner. Now, some people complained about it feeling a bit bulky on the headstock. Here's the thing though, while it might seem large, the dual hinge design allows for a comfortable viewing angle, so it won't obstruct your playing. It's reliable right out of the box with a wide A440 calibration, so you can start tuning immediately without hassle. This is perfect for you if you play multiple string instruments and need one tuner that can handle them all. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact, but it's a solid value for the features it offers. Now, if the size of the Fender FCT2 bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 2, Fender FT1. Next up is the Fender FT1 Professional Clip-On Tuner, priced at $18.50. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 663 reviews, it's another one of Fender's best sellers. If you're looking for something compact and easy to read, this one's worth checking out. The LCD backlight is super user-friendly. It turns green when you're in tune, which takes the guesswork out of tuning. It's compatible with electric, bass, and acoustic guitars, so it meets various needs in one little clip. Now, some users have said it's not as sensitive as they'd like, particularly in noisy settings. But honestly, for the price, it does a great job, and if you're just jamming with friends or practicing at home, you'll probably find it perfectly suitable. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tuner that's easy to read and adjust. Skip this one if you need something for louder environments or if you require a tuner that can handle multiple instruments at once. It's a great value for a quality tuner. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Snark SN5X. The Snark SN5X clip-on tuner comes in at $17.49, and it's a fan favorite with a 4.6-star rating from about 38,000 reviews. If you want something that really stays put and is easy to use, you should take a look at this. What caught my attention is the Stay Put clip, which keeps the tuner securely attached so you can move around without worrying about it falling off. Plus, the display rotates a full 360 degrees, making it perfect for both right and left-handed players. And it's not just for guitars, it works for bass and violin too, making it super versatile. That said, some users report that it can be a bit overly sensitive, picking up vibrations from nearby instruments. Here's the thing though. If you're in a quiet space or practicing solo, it's not going to be an issue, and the tuning accuracy is impressive. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple, versatile tuner that can accommodate different instruments. Skip this one if you often play in loud environments where sensitivity might be a problem. The value is excellent for what you get. Now, if you need something with an even clearer display, the next one on my list might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 4, New B Guitar Tuner. Next up is the New B Guitar Tuner, which is priced at $15.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's a great budget option. If you're after a tuner that's both compact and easy to see, this is worth considering. One standout feature is its vivid color display that makes it easy to see notes in any lighting. It supports tuning for guitar, bass, ukulele, violin, and even cello, which is fantastic if you have a variety of stringed instruments. Plus, it's got a 360-degree rotatable screen, so you can adjust it to whatever angle works best for you. However, some users found the battery life a bit short, especially if you forget to turn it off. But honestly, that's a small trade-off for an affordable tuner that's so easy to use and fits nicely in your pocket. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a quality tuner that works for multiple instruments. Skip this one if you need something with longer battery life or plan to use it for heavy-duty sessions. It's a great value for the features. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more discreet and stealthy, you'll want to hear about my next pick. Product number 5, D'Addario Micro Headstock Tuner. Finally, we have the D'Addario Micro Headstock Tuner priced at $21.99. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 17,700 reviews, this tuner is perfect if you want something compact and discreet. If you prefer a tuner that blends in seamlessly with your instrument, this is definitely worth a look. What's impressive about the D'Addario tuner is its extreme accuracy, picking up vibrations instead of sound, which means you get precise tuning every time. It also features a tricolor backlit screen that visually indicates tuning status: red for out of tune, yellow for close, and green for in tune, making it super easy to understand at a glance. That being said, some users wish it was a bit easier to adjust. Here's the thing though, once you find your perfect angle, it stays put and does what it's supposed to do without drawing attention while you play. This is perfect for you if you want a tuner that's not only accurate but also super discreet while performing. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger display or need to tune multiple instruments at once. It's a solid investment for any musician. To wrap it up, we've covered some great options. The Fender FCT2 is perfect for versatility, the Fender FT1 is compact and easy to read, the Snark SN5X is simple and versatile, the new B is budget-friendly with a clear display, and the D'Addario Micro offers stealth and accuracy. In summary, each of these 5 tuners brings something unique to the table. The Fender FCT2 is versatile, the FT1 is easy to read, the Snark SN5X is reliable, the new B offers great value, and the D'Addario Micro is perfect for stealthy performance. Whatever your needs, there's a perfect clip-on tuner for you.